Government idea was to preserve this bridge as heritage. Yeah? That now vehicle cannot fly. So no point keeping this bridge. So alternative site also only for subway. No? But without using this subway, you can issue the order. Public upper side they can use national highway. That's not coming up. No? But pala ini ka pani na hai.
50 years wala price.
86 feet, so yeah.
86 like effective price.
See, yesterday we met Prime Minister. We have apprised him about the situation that people have faced in Dimapur in particular, and then the other district, all the 11 districts have been affected this time. So we have learned that this has come after 50 years. It has never happened like this in Nagaland. So we take this situation as unprecedented natural calamity.